very, very young, but all of a sudden it's like, yeah, let's have a look. And then everything gets really, really serious, and it shocks bloody life out of you because it comes out of nowhere. Anyway, here's some more of the band. Do you know what? Since I got back from Manchester, right, from the shows, I've been like basically in isolation, don't want to get ill. This would be the worst shows to cancel. I mean, they'd all be terrible to cancel, but London would be typical. It'd be just my luck, because I've like been desperate to do these shows. I'm desperate to do all of them, just in case someone makes it sound really stupid. But anyway, so I was like, okay, no drums, good voice, no drums, good voice, no drums. I've taken like echinacea like 4 times a day. It says 14 drops. I've been taking 40 drops like 3 times a day. Rockers, everything. Anyway, so I woke up this morning, checked my voice. Yeah, I've got acne. How annoying is it, right? To get spots. I know we all get spots, but you ain't got your face up there like fucking like that. Got one here. I have an alien on my head. Imagine trying to pop a spot with these nails as well. You do more damage, I'll tell you. Anyway, luckily, I've got my girls, right, who you'll see in a minute, the backing singers, they do their makeup. I don't know how they do it. I can't. I mean, it's great because my makeup artist, first world problems, he does it. And then I can't do my makeup, which means that no one ever recognises me when I go down the shops or go to the park. It's great. It's great. Anyway, here we have Eric. Here we have Pete. And here we have Derek. Alright, so this next one was on my second album. It was on 21. And it was, thank you very much. Thank you. And it's been really nice to revisit that album actually, with, well, just in general, I guess. And this was actually one of my favourite songs on the album, and it was never, it was never a single, never really did it on TV. In fact, I don't think I ever did. And I always did it live, but depending on if my set changed and stuff like that. Better to get that burp out of the way now than during the show. Can you imagine if I hit that high note? It's better that I do it while I'm talking. Look at me in disgust. Anyway, and I love this bit because I get to sit down as well, but also I just love singing this song. So if you know it, please sing along with me and help me with the high note at the end in case I burp.